Minista muviani wa kinandu John Mbadi niwaweta Kandalasi Syonthe sya uthukumi silikalini nene na ilasya kaunti ikoosawa kuthukumithwa na kuivwa kwisila mutandao mweu wa silikali wa e-government procurement system kana EGP ulaha wavithua witetheesya kusuvia iininiva kimanza cha bilioni ya 150 uvathukanu na nzia syavu itinani. Mbadi ni wakathi ya mutandao aiweta wisie wanangiko wa mbesa ulusani na wina kielelo kiseo cha kwailia uthukumi silikalini nene na silikali ilasya kaunti. Benjamin Mwaka nukutuelesya.
CS Mbadi niwaweta yutenda na Kandalasi ya silikali nene na ilasya kaunti ikoosawa kuthukumithwa kwisila mutandao wa EGP iweta savali vayikwitikilia ulusani ingi uthukumini wa mwene nthi.
The value of the system is that you will not be able to delete at will, meaning you will not be able to manipulate the system. So this is a good system.
Wianana na Minista John Mbadi ni kana silikali ni kusuvia iininiva shilingi bilioni ya 150 ikwithwa nzia thina kivindua na kimwe kiuthukumi.
The experience has shown that countries where this e-procurement has been implemented, that in the first year of implementation you save close to 10% of your procurable budget. 10 to 15%. Now 10% of our procurable budget is about 100 billion. So we expect to save between 100 150 billion. It can even be more.
Wavuanania mutandao wa IGP nolo witwa sha aiweta ni nzia ya kukwatia mikola na anganganya.
Obviously it will have to have challenges. Just like SHA. When we started SHA in October last year, everybody thought it was going to fail. But right now the SHA system is working. That is why you can be able to see that so many cheats and thieves are being caught all over the place. It means the system is working. Personally, I'm very happy that we are seeing what we are seeing through SHA, because that tells you the system is working. There are people who want to cheat the system. They were doing it with NHIF, no one was able to see. Now we can be able to find them, catch them and deal with them. The same with this system. If you try to cheat and manipulate, you will be caught.
The yuenda kaunti sikia mavuma vatayulwa budget sio mutandaoni utuvika kwambililia okite.
What we have received at the IFMIS is 31 counties out of 47. The remaining 16 have not been processed by controller of budget, I guess. Maybe some have not even submitted their request to the controller of budget. Now, the ones that are in IFMIS, the 31, 4 of them they have cleared. They have sent to the EGP, which should be processed immediately. In fact, up to this morning, only 14 counties had come to IFMIS, had processed their documents through control of budget to IFMIS. You will hear them complaining that the system is not working, yet they have not even processed their budgets with control of budget. Let me repeat it again. If your budget has not been processed through control of budget into IFMIS, there is no way it will find its way into the EGP.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa bamusini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.